Hey guys, for math today, just make sure that you're going in order. You're going to start by watching the opening video, and if you look over to the right side, backup links are back. So if you can't watch this opening video, make sure you click it in here. It is in a different language, but there are subtitles, so make sure you're reading those. It's a contest where these students are giving all of these numbers. So they're going to be reading off this list in a different language. So those are all the numbers that they're giving them. They're three-digit numbers. And I forget how many there are. You're going to have to double check on that for me. And they have to add all of those numbers in their head and get the right answer in a really short amount of time. So go ahead and give it a watch. When you are done with the opening video, please come to the upper right-hand corner box and take that poll. And this is something new. So instead of you guys having to wait for me to do a math video before you complete an exit ticket, today I went ahead and pre-recorded a lesson video where it gives you 3 or 4 examples that I think will help you with your assignment. So watch that. I give you some directions in that for you to follow. So make sure that you're watching and paying attention. This is the assignment that you are going to complete. And then afterwards, you're going to explain your thinking on Flipgrid, picking 2 questions. And I wrote directions on how you're going to pick your questions. So if you did complete the Flipgrid like you were supposed to on Tuesday, then when you click on it, it should let you write in. But I put in parentheses that you might have to sign in. If you're someone that missed that assignment, then Flipgrid is going to have you sign in. If it doesn't work, that's up to you to let me know right away and message me on PowerSchool and say it doesn't work. But if you're not new to Flipgrid, so if you've done it before for class, which is most of you, it should work totally fine. I did a little note here. If you go back to the Flipgrid we did 2 days ago, and I want you to kind of play around with the website to find. If you watch Marco's video on how to explain your thinking, that is pretty much what I'm looking for. He pointed to what I needed to know. He was explaining his thinking. He said, I think this, not that. I could follow his reasoning. So that was a really good example. And remember, if you are doing your Flipgrid where you're explaining your thinking, it's not enough to say, I don't understand this problem. I want you to say, here are the things I understand about this problem. And here's where I stop understanding. Because if you just say, I don't know, that's just not enough at this point. Make sure you're telling me exactly where you think you're having trouble, or else it's going to be hard to help you. So that is math for today. And then you are going to finish by this small box here. It's your Dreambox lesson. This is a long-term Dreambox lesson. So just make sure that you're spending 20 to 30 minutes on that today. And make sure that that's getting done, because the last Dreambox I assigned was only done by 3 or 4 people on my remote list. So just make sure you're doing that, because that is going to be part of your math grade this year. Alrighty, let me know if you have any questions through PowerSchool. Thanks.